over of this match, and score at this moment is 9 without loss, with 8 to Sachin Tendulkar and 1 to Saurav Ganguly, and we are into the over number second of the innings. So jam-packed crowds here at Kotla, and this is the second one day between India and Pakistan, and we are into the over number second of the innings. So Waqar Younis, right arm over the wicket, bowls this time first ball outside the off stump. That's well kept by Rashid Latif behind the stumps, and there will be no runs. So fantastic afternoon here, cool breeze coming out at Kotla, and this is this third one-day international between India and Pakistan, and we are into the over number second of the innings. Up comes the bowler again. Waqar Younis bowls, tries a yorker to Saurav Ganguly, who drives the ball magnificently onto the offside through the covers for 4 runs, and that's the first boundary by Indian captain Saurav Ganguly, and score with that goes up to 13 without loss, with 3 balls coming up in this over, and we are into the over number second of the innings. Up comes the bowler again, tries a yorker. That's a good length delivery, well pitched outside the off stump, well kept by wicketkeeper Rashid Latif, and there will be no run. So fantastic afternoon with India and Pakistan, one up in the series in 5 one-days. Pakistan in tour of India here at this moment, and we are into the third ODI between India and Pakistan. As up comes the ball again, tries a yorker to the batsman. That's well driven by the Indian captain Saurav Ganguly. There will be couple of more runs into the scoreboard. 5 balls has been bowled by, and with that total goes up to 15 for the loss of no wicket, and we are into the over number second. Up comes the bowler once again, Waqar Younis, bowls next delivery, and that's a very good drive back to the bowler. So after the end of the over, Indian captain winning the toss, deciding to bat first. 2 overs has been bowled by. Score at this moment is 15 without loss.